Hey everyone! Today we've got some exciting news. A new in-game item has just been released, and guess what? It's completely free. That's right. This new skin is available for you to grab right now, and it's a fantastic opportunity to enhance your collection. With this skin, you can boost your chances of collecting more of those valuable dots, or even increase the number of your unique achievement, those special ones that unlock new skins. The more skins you acquire, the higher your chances of getting valuable drops during the event. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. The skin is available without any cost, making it a perfect addition to your inventory. To use it, simply click on the skin and hit Unlock, then tap on Buy. It's free. After that, tap on Choose. Then navigate to the main page. You'll find it displayed just like this. Let's all support this initiative and make sure we take full advantage of this generous offer. It's a great way to show our support for the Telegram community, and it helps everyone in the long run. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.